Hi everyone, this is a quick video to show where you can access all the materials for the awards. So the simplest thing is to go to your Outlook email and then scroll all the way down to get to your group. And here it is under Groups, Factal Advisory Committee. And then you click on the Files icon and you will see a folder called 21-22 Awards. So if you click on that, you will see all the materials here. So for Alana Collis, Kirsten's, you click on that, and at times it may ask you to, go to CCP.edu and just click on that, and you should be able to access this file. And then you go back and you will see the other folders. So there are two for Alana Collis, so it's Kirsten and Melissa. And then for Bill Mulkins, there are three: Cara Bennett, Loventhal, and Envina. And for Cara Bennett, it is actually a link. So you've got to click on the file and you will see the link. So if you click on the link, you should be able to get to Cara's materials. So that's how you access all the materials for the awards. So if you're still having trouble, let me know, because this is a shared folder. All of you should have access to it.